Hello everyone, hello guys. This is the part 2 about how you can to solve the problem about reduce or decrease the DEL files in your computer. The first you should download all of them or all of these files. After that please press on Del Care, right click and press extra do Del Care. And after that you will see this file. Please press on it and open. Press on it, open. After that you will see the care setup. Please press right click and press run as administrator and press yes. Please before you do this, please go to the antivirus in your computer and press deactive for antivirus. And after that please press on I have read and agree, and please press on install now and wait a few minutes to install. And after it finished, please press on finish installation and please open crack, and you will see this. Please take this file copy, and after that please go to open this PC and open C and open program file x186, and after that please open Delcare file and press right click on this and press paste and press on replace the file in the destination and close this file as this. After that please open Delcare, press right click and press run as administrator and press yes, and wait a few minutes please to open. And after that you will see this. Please press on scan and wait a few minutes to the scan finish, and after that please press on repair and press yes, and wait a few minutes to repair. Wait a few minutes please. After scan finished, please close Delcare. After that please go to the second file del setup. Please press right click and press extra 2, and after that you will see this file. Please open it. Please press on DFF setup, right click and press run as administrator and press next, next, and after that please open crack, and open the first del file fix crack and press on generate serial. Please close del file fixer. Please press on generate serial and copy this, and after that please press on serial 32 and 64 and select this and this, and press right click and press edit. And after that, please delete this serial, and press right click and press past, and press exit or close, and press save. And the second file, the second text, please delete this serial, and please press right click and press past, and close this. And after that, please copy all of them, or all of these file, copy, press right click and press copy. And after that, please go to open this PC, and open C, and open program file x86, and choose delfiles.com fixer, and press right click on this, and press past, and press yes. And after that, please open them. Please press right click and press merge, and press yes, yes, okay, and open the second, and press yes, press okay, okay. And after that, please close this, and go to open the file fixer, and wait a few minutes to open. Please wait a few minutes. And after that, please after program opened, please press on start scan. After scan finished, please press on fix errors, and wait a few minutes please to finish. Wait a few minutes. After that scan finished, please close Dell Files Fixer. This is the part 2 about how you can to solve the problem about reduce or decrease Dell files in your computer. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I'm Ahmad Tari in Larokas 99 channel. Please press subscribe and like on my video. Please press subscribe in my channel. Part 1 will be in my video description, inshallah. Thank you and goodbye.